Everything in life begins with a single belief, the belief that you can. Every success story, every breakthrough, every achievement started with someone daring to believe in themselves. That belief is the spark that lights the fire of action. Without it, even the greatest opportunities can slip through your fingers because you doubted your own potential. Believing in yourself doesn't mean ignoring challenges. It means acknowledging the obstacles, but trusting that you have the power to overcome them. Life will test you. There will be times when doors close, when people doubt you, or when circumstances seem impossible. But those moments are not signs that you should stop. They are tests that will shape your strength and resilience. Think of the greatest inventors, leaders, and pioneers. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before creating the light bulb. Oprah Winfrey faced rejection and hardship early in her career, yet she believed she could succeed. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, but he never stopped believing in his talent. What do all of these stories have in common? They all began with belief. They all began with a simple thought: I can. Believing you can achieve something transforms your mindset. It changes the way you see problems. They become challenges, not barriers. It transforms fear into courage, hesitation into action, and doubt into determination. Belief fuels persistence. When you wake up every morning trusting in your potential, you naturally take steps that move you closer to your goals. But belief alone is not enough. It must be paired with action. You must be willing to work, to fail, to learn, and to try again. Belief is the engine, but action is the vehicle. You drive yourself toward your dreams through consistent effort, fueled by the knowledge that you are capable of far more than you ever imagined. So today, I urge you to make a choice to trust yourself, to silence the voices of doubt, and to take action toward the life you want. Start with small steps, but start. Believe that you can, and the world will begin to align with your courage and determination. Remember, the road may be long, the obstacles may be many, but when you believe you can, you are already halfway to success. Believe in yourself, trust your journey, and never let anyone, including yourself, convince you that your dreams are too big. The power to succeed is within you, waiting to be unlocked. All it takes is the courage to believe and the determination to act. Believing in yourself is the cornerstone of all success. It starts in your mind and radiates into every decision you make. When you trust your abilities, you approach life with confidence rather than hesitation. Self-belief allows you to take risks, try new things, and step out of your comfort zone. It's the difference between sitting on the sidelines and actively shaping your future. Without self-belief, even the most talented person may never realize their true potential, because doubt will always whisper, "You're not ready, you can't do this." By believing you can, you silence that inner critic and unlock the door to opportunity, courage, and growth. Every challenge in life is an opportunity in disguise. Obstacles test your patience, resilience, and creativity. They force you to find new strategies, develop skills you didn't know you had, and grow stronger with every attempt. People who succeed don't see obstacles as roadblocks. They see them as lessons and stepping stones. The greater the difficulty, the greater the potential for growth. When you face challenges head-on, you gain confidence and learn to persevere. Remember, every setback is temporary, but the strength you gain by overcoming it lasts a lifetime. Failure is inevitable on the path to success, but it is never the final destination. Every failure carries a lesson, a clue about what didn't work and how to improve. Some of the world's most successful people failed countless times before achieving greatness. Thomas Edison's thousands of unsuccessful attempts at creating the light bulb didn't defeat him. They taught him what worked and what didn't. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, but used that setback as fuel to become one of the greatest athletes in history. Each failure is a building block for success when you learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. Fear is natural, but it doesn't have to control you. Fear often comes from uncertainty, from stepping into the unknown, or from worrying about judgment and failure. The key is to acknowledge fear, but act anyway. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's taking action despite it. Every time you face your fears, you grow stronger and more confident. Whether it's public speaking, starting a new project, or pursuing a dream career, pushing past fear allows you to expand your limits and discover new potential within yourself. Fear is temporary. The results of courage last forever. You are capable of far more than you think. Too often, people underestimate themselves because they compare their beginning to someone else's middle. Your potential is unique and powerful. It's shaped by your experiences, talents, and determination. Trusting your potential means believing that you can develop skills, overcome challenges, and achieve goals that may seem impossible at first. When you tap into your abilities and dedicate yourself to growth, you open doors that others might say are unreachable. The only limits are the ones you impose on yourself. Dreams don't become reality overnight. They are built one step at a time through consistent effort and persistent action. Consistency is what turns small actions into major results. Every day you show up, work hard, and take steps toward your goals. You are compounding your efforts and building momentum. Even when progress feels slow, the discipline of consistent action ensures that you keep moving forward. Success favors those who are patient, persistent, and unwavering in their efforts. Small actions, repeated consistently, lead to extraordinary achievements. Your mindset defines the boundaries of your life. If you believe you are limited, you will act within those limitations. But if you refuse to accept false boundaries and adopt a mindset of possibility, you can achieve extraordinary things. Many people give up because they accept doubt, fear, or negative opinions as truth. But when you reject those limits, you allow yourself to aim higher, dream bigger, and take bold action. True freedom comes when you realize that the power to succeed has always been inside you, and the only real limits are the ones you accept in your mind. So remember, everything begins with belief. Believe in yourself, trust your potential, push past fear, and embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow. Take consistent action, learn from failures, and never accept limits that don't belong to you. The journey won't always be easy, but every step you take with confidence and determination brings you closer to your dreams. Believe you can, and you've already taken the first step toward achieving the extraordinary. Your future is waiting, go claim it.